What a lovely welcome and greeting. Dreams Tulum. Hi, everybody. Follow me on my journey through this resort today. Good morning, and what do we have here? Cocoa juice. Doesn't that look wonderful? At Dreams Tulum, this is the welcome that you get. What friendly staff. Everyone has come out to make sure we have been so warmly greeted and feel welcome.
Well, and I will join you during the lunch, all right? In the meantime, enjoy the tour, ask as many questions as you like to have, so you receive all the information. When new things, new assets in the resort, so enjoy the experience.
Thank you.
Jose, Landy, our wedding director, Hannah from groups, so everybody's.
When you're planning your wedding, how important is it for you and your bridesmaid to be all together getting ready? Makeup, hair, nails. This is the perfect salon, Dreams Tulum. They can do 4 people at one time, 4 ladies, makeup and hair. How wonderful to be together. So consider this when you're choosing a resort. Ask me if they have a room like this where you can get ready with your bridal party, have champagne. Wouldn't that be fun? This room is so pretty. And here's where you can have your makeup done, your hair, pedicure, manicure, all in preparation of that magical day. Complete selection of every color of nail polish, OPI, which is an excellent brand. Do consider this when you're planning your wedding. A great spa for makeup and hair, and a room for everyone to get ready. Toast with champagne. Welcome to the holistic cabin. Peace and tranquility. The kids park at Dreams Tulum. What fun! You've got older kids, teens, Xbox. This is a great little room to come to. And it's air conditioned, feels good.
The locations here are usually very private, very exclusive, so your guests will have a nice exclusivity on there.
How many guests can be seated here for a reception?
Right? Yeah.
And can they add a dance floor?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. And the nice thing here is you can extend the party.
Till what time? Any time?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, because
that's
they're away from the room.
Yes.
that's amazing.
Exactly. In any of the
Wouldn't you love to have your wedding in an area called Secret Garden? Oh my goodness, look at this. This is magic. This is the Preferred Club Deluxe Garden Swim Out Room. King size bed. Lots of plugins for your devices. A couch. A chair. And this is part of the service of the swim out room, bringing their cocktails right to you. And there's a breezeway right through to the bathroom, double vanity, bathtub, enclosed shower and toilet. Beautiful. Lots of space to unpack, drawers. Very comfortable. Dreams Tulum. This is the deluxe room garden view. Beautiful, you'd be very comfortable here. Now, talk about service. Look at what we have been treated to. The staff created beads on the bed that say escapes.ca.
Amazing. I really love this.
And the wine cellar, of course.
We invite you to take a look at the wine cellar here, please. Susan?
This is beautiful. So you could have private parties here?
Exactly, yes.
So this would be good for maybe the wedding couple with mom and dad and
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah, no, I know. I just think
Portofino, Italian restaurant. Beautiful. With a wine cellar. What more do you need? This is a center courtyard where they have some shops. And at times they have tables set up with local artisans who sell jewelry, that kind of thing. So no need to feel you have to leave the resort. They come to you.
To perform legal ceremonies, symbolic ceremonies, but also Catholic ceremonies with a priest. Okay?
And how many people does this?
We can fit in this area in the chapel, 40 people or 60, depends the decoration, the chair that we use. But we also have the annex to the chapel, and we can fit more people. Let's say like 80 more people here, so around 120 maximum. And in case it's a small group, you can have the ceremony here, and we can use that next to the chapel for cocktail hour.
Look at this beautiful little chapel. They can use it for legal, symbolic, or Catholic weddings. Holds maybe 40 people, but isn't this magnificent? This is Coco Cafe. Look at the assortment of goodies, breads, different cakes. Great selection of tea. Regular coffee, decaffeinated mocha, espresso. And they have sandwiches, fresh fruit, and it's open from 7:30 until 11. So if you feel like you want a snack, come and have a cappuccino, and then maybe have a little bit of sherbet. This is the largest Coco Cafe of Dreams Resorts. Come here and relax, work on your computer, have a cup of coffee.
Ya van para Cisay, por favor.
These rooms are called Preferred Oceanfront, and this is why. Facing the pool and the ocean. Barefoot grill. You certainly wouldn't have very far to walk. This is the Junior Suite Deluxe Garden View. It comes with a king bed or 2 doubles. And this resort is one of the few that guarantees connecting rooms. So if it's mom and dad and you have 2 children, they have a unique setting, I guess you could say. You walk into a door and there are 2 other doors. That main door locks. So if you have 2 kids, they can be in the connecting room and you don't have to fear of them getting out of the room. This is great to have connecting rooms as families. Now this is a true beachfront ceremony. Birds flying overhead, the waves in the background. Beautiful flowers. Call me for your beachfront wedding. This is amazing. area where you can have your wedding reception as well as your ceremony. How magical is this? This is what they've done for us. How beautiful. This is an idea of decor.